Welcome students. Today we will be discussing chapter number 4 from your textbooks, which is mail merge. Mail merge is a very important feature which is available in Microsoft Word. It enables you to send one letter or one card or one invitation to multiple people. So just say like you have written one letter, let's say it's an invitation card, and you want to send this invitation card to multiple people, to multiple recipients are the people who are going to receive your invitation. So I want to send my invitation to multiple recipients. One way is that you write letter every time. If you want to send it to 10 different recipients, one way in word processor is you type 10 different letters, write their name, and write 10 letters differently. The other way is you just write the letter once and you just send the same letter to 10 different recipients. So you are creating one list of 10 recipients and you are creating just one letter, and you are just merging the list with the letter and you are sending across to 10 different recipients. So it saves a lot of time, and you can send one letter to multiple recipients very quickly. So in this video we are going to discuss how we are going to use this feature mail merge. So far you know what is a mail merge. Now we will discuss how will you use mail merge in word processor. So remember, when I'm talking about mail merge, there are three different terms that I will be talking about. First term is data source, second is main document, and third is the merge field. The first thing, that is the data source, is the list of recipients who are going to receive your letter. Remember, recipients are the people who are going to receive your letter. They are called recipients. Second is the main document. Main document means the main letter. The letter that you have written or the invitation card that you have written is the main document. Third is the mail merge field. Merge field means when you are writing, merging the recipient with the letter. One recipient, you like if you have 10 recipients in the data source, you pick up one recipient from data source, merge it with the main document and send it across. This is called merge field. Merge field means the fields that you are adding in your letter, whom you want to send your letter to. Suppose there are different fields like name, first name, last name, title means Mr. or Mrs. Your first, you can have first name, last name, you can add email address of the person, of the recipient, you can add the address of the person, so you can add the phone number. So these are the merge fields, means which all fields you want to add in your letter. Like you want to add the name, you want to add his email address, you want to add his phone number, you want to add his address. These are the merge fields. So we are going to discuss how we are going to use these terms in your word processor, and how you are going to use this very important feature of word processor. So first of all, what I will do is I will go ahead and open Microsoft Word. So I have opened a Microsoft Word document. Okay. So first thing that you can do is that you are going to do is the very first thing that you will do is you will write the letter that you want to send. आप letter का matter type करना शुरू करोगे. Matter is the content that you want to type. Suppose if it's an invitation card, you will write the invitation, and then that is going to be the main document. So let's say I am going to type the main document, which is my content of the letter. Let's say this is the content of the letter that I want to type. I am organizing an annual function, and I just want to invite the different recipients to the annual function. So one task is completed, that I have completed. I have written the main document. Now the next thing that I want to do is I want to create a list of recipients. So just look carefully, how will I create the list of recipients? I will go to the mailings tab at the top. If you see home, insert, design, layout, references, mailing. So I will click on the mailings tab. As soon as I click on the mailings tab, the second group that you see, which is start mail merge group, you will go to this group and you will click on start mail merge option. I'll click on start mail merge option and I go to step by step mail merge wizard, right? So as soon as you click on step by step mail merge wizard, you will see this window pane right side. This will appear. So the first thing that you see is what type of document are you working on. So it is selected letters. You will not do anything. You just click on next at the bottom. Okay, I am writing a letter, so I will just keep letter selected and I click on next, which is at the bottom. As soon as you click on next, the next option that you see, how do you want to set up your letters? Use the current document. So I'm going to keep this option selected. I won't click anywhere else. And then I click on next, right? So here it is asking you, how do you want to set up your letters? Just don't do anything. Keep the option selected, use the current document and click on next at the bottom. The next option that you will get is select recipients. Recipients, as I said, is the list of people whom you want to send the letter. So I want to type a new list. I want to add the list of people whom I want to send the data. So I click on third option, which is type a new list, and then I click on create. As soon as you click on create, you will see this box, which is the new address list box. Here you will write the list of people whom you want to send the letter. So I click on new entry and I click on, first I want to type the name. I will start typing the names of the people whom I want to send this letter. So remember, when you want to these are called the fields: title, first name, last name, company name, address. These are the fields, and these rows are known as the records. So remember, the columns are known as fields and rows are known as records. So when I want to move from one field to another field, I will click on tab key from your keyboard. You can just either you can click with mouse or you can just press the tab key. Okay, I'm just entering the address, and now I will enter the second recipient. I press tab key. I written the first name. Now press tab key. I press tab key and I enter the address. Now I want to add a new recipient. I click on new entry. That's it. I want to send, just add a list of 3 recipients. You can add any number of recipients here. And as soon as I enter the names of the recipients, I click on OK. When I click on OK, it will give me another box where I want to save this list. So here I have to give a name of the list. This is the name of the list that I have created, list of the recipients. So what am I doing is, this is the data source that I have created, and this is the name of the data source that I will save with. Okay, so I've given the name sample and I click on save. So my data source is saved now. This is my data source sample.mdb, and these are the list of the recipients that I have added in my recipient list, and I press OK. Now what I have done is, I have done 2 tasks. I have created the document, main document. I have created the data source. Now I will do the merging. Merging means I will insert the merge fields. I will insert the fields, which all fields I want to enter in my letter. So this is my letter, so I will insert the merge fields now. So wherever you want to insert the merge field, you can insert at the top, you can insert at the bottom. So let's say I want to insert at the top. So I will go to, again I will go to the mailings tab. I go to the third field, group, write and insert fields. So here there is an option that says insert merge field. So I will click on insert merge field and I will select all the fields that I want to enter. So first I want to enter title. I press spacebar. Then I want to insert first name. I press spacebar again. Now I want to insert the last name. Okay. Now I want to enter the address in the next line. So I press enter. I will click on address here. So these are the fields that I have inserted, right? So once you have inserted the fields, now what you want to review your results, how you want to see the list, how will your letter look with the name of the recipients. So you will click on preview results at the top, the third group that you see in the mailings tab, preview results. So you go to preview results. So I see the list of first recipient and there are the arrow buttons here. You click on the arrow button, right arrow button, you see the second recipient. Then I again click on third and I see the list of the third recipient. Okay, so this is how you will insert the fields. In the next video I will show you how will you print the documents.